Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Sean here bringing you another how-to video. Today we're going to be working on a 2008 and newer Kawasaki KLX 140. The bike in the video happens to be my neighbor's 2017 140L. But let's take a look at what we're going to be knocking out today. So I'm going through this bike for my neighbor, like I said, and I noticed that the front brake lever was a little loose. It's got some play in it here, and I don't care for that. So I'm going to show you how we're going to remove that play and get that front brake adjusted. The only things we're going to need today are going to be an 8mm Allen wrench and then a small flat blade screwdriver. So let's take a look at the front brake lever here. And again, this play I don't like. You can see there's no brake feel because the first few millimeters here is just dead space. So we're going to tighten that up by first breaking loose this small 8mm nut. And once we knock that out, then we're going to be able to use our flat blade screwdriver to adjust that adjustment bolt there. So what I'm going to do is actually turn that in. So we're going to rotate clockwise right to the point where I can just start to feel that the brake lever is starting to depress. So I'm going to take a little bit out again. You see we got a tiny bit of play. Just going to do about a quarter turn there. And that feels pretty good. Now I don't have any play in this lever, but I actually haven't put any pressure there either. I might go ahead and try to clean that up a little bit, and once we get that cleaned up, we'll get this thing tightened down. Okay, now that you can see it's cleaned up a little bit, all I did is get the screw to right where it's starting to depress into that little plunger. And then I simply held the screw in place with my flat blade screwdriver and used my 8mm wrench to tighten up that retaining nut. And now I don't have any lever play, as you can see. Once I pull, it's immediately hitting the front brake. So it's exactly how we want it. Hopefully this video helps. Very simple process here, of course, but it's always nice to get rid of that play and make sure that your bike is well tuned up. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thanks everybody. Ride safely.